Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and welcome to your Tuesday video, which is your subscriber's choice. You get to choose what I review on the channel through, of course, these 5 little samples here. So you get to choose one. Rules, pretty straightforward. You got a YouTube handle. You comment below, and that is your vote. Please vote just for one fragrance, and please vote only once. That's it. If your comment doesn't make sense, I just gloss over it. It's pretty straightforward. It is Tuesday, so Thursday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time usually is when I close up the voting, and that's it. And then I could start working on it. And then, of course, that particular scent that won, I'll be testing it over the weekend, and it will come out on the next Saturday after that. So we have 4 returnees. If you're not new to this, you know the 4 returnees. And then we have one new one because one won last time. I think in this batch it was Cherry Oud from Guerlain, which was the new fragrance. So we still have some from like the first video I shot. So these poor, I think there's just 2 of them since the start. So we'll see. They do get quite a bit of votes, these 2. So I'm assuming at one point they will get reviewed, or they may just stay forever. We'll see. The first one of those is Dioriveria. The 2023 release from Christian Dior, from their higher end Privé line. Always wanted to sniff this one ever since they released it. It is Francis K's first release for the brand, so very interesting. Next is a Nasomatto. I am a Nasomatto fragrance head, so Sadonaso is the one that is also a 2023 release. It's their newest release. I am looking forward to that one too. And again, you vote. Next is Louis Vuitton's Nouveau Monde. I hear this is one that would be closest to what I like from the brand. There's a lot of stuff that I hear is kind of gets a lot of hype, but really is just stuff that's probably not worth the price. This one may be Nouveau Monde. Next is from Byredo. As you know, I've been delving into Byredo a little more this year. I haven't spoken about Byredo. If you go on my channel, it's probably a good 10 years that I didn't speak about Byredo at all. And then this year I've kind of dipped into them again. And this one called Mojave Ghost. Surprise, surprise, I've never smelt that one. And that one's been in their line for quite a bit. And then the Noob. The Newbie is, I don't think it's going to be anything fancy, nothing crazy, and I might be wrong, but it is from the brand of Yves Saint Laurent, so it's from their higher echelon Privé line, and this one called Lavalliere. So I assume a lavender-based fragrance, as per the name. I would assume that's what it is. But yeah, I had that sample kicking around. Might as well delve into it. I think the last one that I reviewed from that line was Baby Cat, and I got a bottle of that. So we'll see if Lavalliere can do great things with the note of lavender. It's a hard sell, lavender, for a really expensive fragrance. So there's your fivesome. Again, vote once. I'm looking forward to seeing the votes. This lineup against the designer one that I do, I switch every week. This lineup's always fairly close, so I never really know where you guys are going to be going with these. Dioriveria and Nasomatto always loses for some reason. Maybe this is their week. We'll see, but yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that. Thank you so much for commenting below, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.